Hey everyone, and welcome back to ICO Investor. In this video, we'll be talking about Collexx NFT project. We'll be covering their website, the utility, the community, and the team behind the project. So make sure to stay till the end of the video. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. Now, Collexx is the world's first Phygital NFT marketplace, meaning they're connecting the physical and digital parts of Web3 and bringing them together. And they are launching in May 2022. Their aim is to become a collect to earn based platform when people can actually buy, possess, invest, and collect different rare items. Now, the first thing you'll see once you pop up to their website, which will be actually in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check it out over there. You'll see a little statement that they got over here: in the near future, not too far away, the earth has become uninhabitable. Only 3 options remain for the remaining population. Number 1, immigrate to Mars. Number 2, upload their mind to the metaverse. Number 3, just perish. And as we scroll through the website, a cool little animation of a person uploading their mind actually into the metaverse, and it says connecting reality and metaverse right over here. So a cool little animation on their website. Over here they have a little backstory of their project: the world has perished and humankind has entered the metaverse. And there's definitely a very dystopian feel to this story. Here they show off their seed minting, which is coming April of 2022, so it is in full effects currently. The symbol of the Collexx universe and the connecting link to reality and the metaverse. Now, Collexx will actually certify the authenticity through these NFTs and allow the trading of them through a P2P smart contract. So their Phygital NFTs will actually be literally NFTs and physical goods that you'll be able to get. Now, currently in the market, there isn't much resource or opportunity for people to sell their NFTs off for physical goods. But Collexx solution is actually an escrow smart contract that makes P2P trade possible in a safe way. Their start is coming from rare sports memorabilia, like over here, for example, their Messi signed shirts, but they also say themselves, who knows, in the future they could perhaps trade some real estate on their Collexx marketplace. Now, Collexx develops different NFT marketplaces, but they also have their own NFT Genesis collection coming out. They'll be launching their own PFP NFT collection, where early VIPs will actually get the most rewards, and this will really help them build their own community in the NFT space. So all the stuff I just mentioned will be part of their season 1 roadmap: the seed minting, the Phygital marketplace, partners and collaborations, then Collexx branding. As for their season 2 phase, they'll actually do PFP minting, different expansion of Collexx universe, marketplace upgrades, tokenomics, and their own metaverse. Their whole mission is actually to connect reality and metaverse through their collect to earn Phygital NFT marketplace. They also have quite a compelling background story of their Collexx project, explaining how their project came about. So as we can see over here, in the blink of an eye, life on Earth has long gone. So how Earth has come to self-destruct itself and how we move on from there. Nevertheless, humankind preserved, then how we move on onwards, then the mind uploading phase of where we upload our consciousness into the metaverse, into computers and whatnot, then onto the new world, Thea, which is going to initiate the phase of the seeds, because since we just transferred our consciousness on over to computers, they'll actually be called seeds instead of different computers and stuff, because of the substantial energy needed to preserve the body for 1,000 years. And then off we go to Mars. So there we will be actually living as our seeds. Our consciousness would be in these seeds and in these spaceships along there. Then a 1,000-year plan for reviving Earth, the Project Guy, and then finally logging out and finding the stolen seed. So that's just a little brief summary of their story behind the Collexx project. And this is really to build a connection with the users and their NFT holders, really to build a stronger bond with their community and have them just have a cool background story to know about their characters that they're going to be building in their universe. Now over here is the team behind the project. And by the way, Collexx actually has their own manufacturing factory where they make their own products as well. They also run their own exhibition center, which is located in South Korea. And they actually held an NFT art exhibition in early 2022 for over 130 different Korean artists. Now, checking out their Discord, they also have a ton of different whitelist opportunities going on for the community over here. And by the way, this will also be in the link down in the description below, so make sure to check out their Discord and join in. They'll be doing a ton of different events, giveaways, and opportunities for whitelist spots for the community, so you're not going to want to miss out on it. They've also signed partnerships with 2 different NFT projects. One of them is run by one of the biggest K-pop female artists in Korea. Her name's Sunmi, and she has worldwide fandom. And the second partnership is with Doge Sound Club, Korea's first PFP NFT project, which is basically the first CryptoPunks for Korea. And a lot more partnership deals will be announced in the future. Now, although this team is based in South Korea, they are an international team which speaks multiple languages and have different experience and skill sets. They also have their Twitter page right over here, which will also be in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check it out and give them a follow over here. But here is their Twitter page, a solid 4,000 plus followers, same collect to earn NFT, connecting physical and digital Phygital NFT marketplace, Collexx. And if you scroll down to their Twitter, they do a ton of different announcements, updates on what is going on in their project, different milestones they've achieved, and giveaways that they do. So Twitter is a place you're not going to want to miss out on for this project. A lot of important and cool information is over here, so definitely would love to check. So this is definitely a community you're going to want to be a part of. They also have a very well detailed white paper, which will also be in the link down in the description below, and you'll actually be able to access it from their website as well. And this just shows you some more details about what is going on with their project, the Phygital NFT process, the Phygital NFT marketplace, description and details about that, the collection gallery, their own story, their own webtoon comics, their whole minting information and details, as well as their roadmap, team, and recruiting. So that was Collexx NFT project. Once again, the link for this project will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check it out over there. And overall, this project has some great utility. They have some great plans coming up for the future that you're not going to want to miss out on. So anyways, thanks again for watching the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below for any questions you had on this project. Subscribe to the ICO Investor channel so we can keep on helping you with some great content in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.